In this video, we will show you how to use your Descent Mk3i while freediving. To demonstrate clearly, we will use the simulation mode. In freediving, time is valuable. Instead of viewing the watch, you can use the Apnea alerts feature to know your depth, time, and speed through audible and haptic feedback. Before diving, set your apnea alerts. Enter dive setup. Apnea alerts. Enable and set the alerts you need. For example, assume we have two frequently used target depths, 25 and 35 meters. Our neutral buoyancy is about 12 meters. And we want to be alerted every 30 seconds. Let's start setting. Select target depth. Enable it. Set depth to 35. Set how it alerts. We can also preview the alert. Different alerts have different sounds and vibration patterns. Then, set neutral buoyancy to 12 meters. Then, add new alerts for depth and time. Select Add Alert. Depth. Set to 25. At 25.0 meters. Descent. Done. To distinguish easier, let's use vibration for depth alerts, and tone for time alerts. Repeat to set other depth and time alerts. Now, we can start diving. Enter apnea. Check if the settings are correct. Now, let's descend. The watch will automatically start the activity. This is the dive screen. We can view the current dive information if necessary. That was our first alert, neutral buoyancy, 12 meters. So, we know we can start slowing the kicking. Then, here is our first target, 25 meters. Let's continue descending. That was the time alert, which means 30 seconds have passed. Now, we have reached our second target, 35 meters. Let's ascend. And now, we are back to the surface. This is the surface screen. You can view your last dive's data. Press the down key to see more data. Surface time starts counting every time you ascend to the surface. By default, you will receive the surface timer alert at 2 minutes. Press the start key to enter the in-dive menu. You can select apnea alerts to adjust the alerts for your next dive. You can use the stopwatch to monitor your buddy's dive time. Simply hold the start key, and the watch will show the stopwatch data screen and start counting. Next, for advanced divers, there is another useful alert, variometer. It alerts you every time you descend or ascend for a certain depth, like a metronome of rate. To enable it, enter apnea alerts. Variometer. Enable it and set the depth. We will use the default setting, every 1.0 meter. Now, let's see how it works. This is what you will hear and feel when your descent rate is 1 meter per second. And this is 0.9 meter per second. The frequency of alerts tells you how fast you are. When ascending, the sound is different. This is a 1.1 meter per second ascent. Lastly, when you finish diving and want to end the apnea activity on your watch, press the back key. Then, select Save. Done. And that's it. Thanks for watching.